how warm your peanut butter still is from when you were melting it. Let everything chill out before you move it to a baking sheet. Once your dough is chilled, go ahead and add some cookie dough balls to the cookie sheet, lined with parchment paper. Since it is a no bake, we're going to be freezing them. And the parchment paper is really going to help make sure that the cookies don't stick to the pan. Now once your tray is filled up with some yummy peanut butter balls, what I like to do is flatten them out. Usually you can use a glass or a spoon, but I think today we're going to use the bottom end of just a measuring cup. And just press this down a little bit. And there are our cookies. Now let's go ahead and pop these in the freezer for an hour. Now our cookies should be almost ready to start decorating and eating. But let's go ahead and get our melted chocolate ready. We're gonna use 2 cups of unsweetened dark chocolate chips. And then just add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now let's go ahead and pop this in the microwave. 30-second burst, and let the chocolate chips and the coconut oil all melt together. Give it a stir. If it's not nice and smooth, pop it in for another 30 seconds and you'll be all set. Our cookies are nice and frozen. Now they're ready to be dipped and smothered in chocolate and a nice little sprinkle of coconut flakes. Now I went ahead and placed these little skewers in the cookies. I figured they might help with the dip, but we'll see how that goes. Let's just take one. Then you just go ahead and pop those in the freezer for about another 10 minutes. And once that 10 minutes is up, you will have delicious chocolate coconut peanut butter keto cookies. It's like coconut heaven. Delicious. So we are definitely gonna have to eat them. Not all of them, that wouldn't be very keto, but we can at least take a bite. Let's go with this top guy right here. That is one delicious chocolate peanut butter cookie, and the coconut from the coconut flour and the coconut sugar and the coconut flakes just packed with delicious coconut flavor. You guys gotta try these. Make them, they're quick, aside from the hour wait, but other than that, they're quick and delicious. If you guys make these, definitely send a photo on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook and let me know, because I think everybody should at least try these at least once. And why not? You love peanut butter, you love chocolate, you love coconut. These are your cookie. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. It's just one click. and ring the bell and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Or, say hello in the comments. Why not? Until next week.